I've shared many AI agent workflow videos before, design work and posting on Facebook and Instagram, even using them, even quote posts. This is a more advanced use case. Once you understand this idea, your AI agent workflow levels up. Use open source. There are many free open source tools out there, but before AI, you usually needed some IT skills to download and use them yourself. With an AI agent guiding the setup, even if you have no IT background at all, you can still use that software yourself. A good example is HyperFrames by HeyGen. It helps create HTML-based motion graphics, not AI video, but coded motion graphics instead. It uses code to first design an HTML page first, then turns pages into animation. I installed this free open source tool inside my AI agent tool, Computer, so the agent can use it to make the motion graphics and animation you're seeing right now. My workflow is actually simple and repeatable. I give it a source link and a clear angle, and it builds a short video based on that story. It may look complex, but the workflow is actually simple. Whenever you find a free open source tool, send it the link. As you can see, I use no special prompt, just the link, and ask if it could install it. It checked this computer's the install requirements, then asked me to confirm and choose where to install. If you watch my earlier videos, the big difference between Computer and Manus comes down to this. Computer is also a cloud computer. Click Files on the left, Folders, almost like Google Drive. It asked where I wanted to install it. That open source software should go a new folder called HyperFrames, install it there, then test the tool. Use this subtitle file for animations. I reused the subtitle file from my earlier harness engineering video just to test the workflow. It planned from the SRT over my video. For example, here has animations on screen right now. Those were made with this exact tool. After tuning it a few times, you can turn it into a reusable skill and reuse it later. Same idea in Manus. You can also do this in Manus because Manus added a feature that gives you its own cloud computer. In Manus, open its cloud computer. Click Create, then choose a server. The cheapest one is $10 a month. Basic specs. Why do these server specs matter? Because this is not just chatting with AI. The computer has to actually run the tool. Because after the animation is done, you still render the final video. When the video is exported, it uses cloud compute. Low CPU or RAM hurts. Rendering gets slow or may fail. So for tools like this, cloud computer power matters. It affects speed, stability, and whether the final video can be. Ask AI for the exact specs. Here, I want to show advanced AI use. AI is no longer just at the grammar correction stage. It can connect to your daily tools through APIs and even install open source tools for more advanced work. If you actually go back and use HyperFrames, there are a few things to note. First, the tool already includes built-in skills. Tell your AI agent to look at those built-in skills first. For your own workflow, you can create your own custom skills. Workflows differ. For me, I have two workflows. The first is post-production for my YouTube post-production. The second is giving it news and turning that news into YouTube shorts or reels. So you can build a skill around your own workflow and tell that skill to use. HyperFrames built-in skills. That's one point. The second is You still need time to learn what this tool can do. Send a link and ask what this AI tool can do. One good thing about HyperFrames is that before export, you can preview the video. So you can ask it to show you the live preview first. Then it gives you a link for previewing. When I open it, I can see the video player. Just press play to preview the result. So a better workflow is this. Ask for a preview before final export. If you do not like it, tell it what to change. The subtitles were too low for Facebook. Facebook puts details below. So I moved subtitles up, then updated the skill to avoid repeating it. Also, open source software lets you change things like adding previews. AI can add those features, but you need some vibe coding knowledge and choose a smarter model because advanced tool changes need stronger reasoning and coding ability. Here, I'm using a top model now, which is Claude Opus. Inside Cloud Computer, one of the best value points is that with Claude Pro, around $20 monthly, you can authorize it here and use it directly. For details, watch my previous video. So I use Cloud Computer free, plus Claude Pro at $20 a month, and that already enables advanced workflows. Two skills will matter in the next few years. First, vibe coding. Second, controlling how your AI agent works. May 23, Vibe Coding Workshop. You do not need an IT background to join, but you should be comfortable using a computer, use AI tools in daily work, and know roughly what an API is. June 13, AI Agent Workshop. In that workshop, we mainly use Manus for practice, but only as a tool to understand the logic behind AI agents. Once you get the logic, AI tools feel similar. Near the end, we'll also add Cloud Computer. I think these two AI agent tools are among the most complete on the market and are relatively good value. Both courses have Alibaba discounts. Details below. See you.